Good morning, students. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn about small and big. Yes, today we are going to learn about small and big. You can see the spelling of small, SMALL small. Yes, you can read it. Yes, SMALL small. Below small, the word is written big. BIG big. Can you see the word written big? Yes. Yes. Then you spell with me small. SMALL small. SMALL small. Now you read the word big with me. BIG big. BIG big. Now you can see a small little mouse. Can you see small little mouse? Yes. This mouse is smaller than this big elephant. Can you see the elephant? Yes, you can see the elephant also. The mouse is smaller than the elephant in size. So we will say that elephant is bigger. We will say that elephant is bigger than the small mouse. Elephant is bigger than the small mouse. Okay? Now in our next slide you can see a school bus and a small car. Now which one is bigger in size? Which one is bigger in size? School bus is bigger in size. Which one is bigger in size? School bus is bigger in size than the small car. So what is the question? Color the box below the bigger vehicle. Now which one is bigger vehicle? School bus. School bus is bigger than the car. So we are going to color the box given below the bigger bus. So color it in your book. Yes. Color it in your book. Yes. Very good. Now next we will go to our next slide. Now we will go to our next slide. Okay kids, now see me, what can you see in this slide? You can see the picture of two clock. First picture is having a smaller clock and the second picture is having a bigger clock. What is the question? The question is color the box below the smaller clock. Question is color the box below the smaller clock. Now see me, which one is having a smaller clock? First picture. So let's color it, the box below the smaller clock. Yes, start coloring. Very good. So color the box below the picture of smaller clock. Yes, color all of you. Wow, very good, very nice. Very good. Now let us go to our next slide. What our next slide shows? The next slide shows us two vessels. First picture is with the bigger vessel and second picture is with a smaller vessel. What is your question? Your question is color the box below the smaller vessel. Now say me, which one is the smaller vessel? Picture number 1 or picture number 2? Yes, picture number 2 is with a smaller vessel. So you will color it. You will color the box with the smaller vessel. Color it. Start coloring. Yes, picture number 2. Color the box below the picture number 2. Color it. Yes. Very good. Okay kids, now what can you see in this slide? You can see the picture of two balls. First ball is big in size and second ball is small in size. So you are having two different size of balls, bigger ball and smaller ball. Now you are going to give a right tick to the bigger ball. So which one is a bigger ball? Picture number 1 is a bigger ball. Yes, put the right tick. Very good. Okay, now we'll go for our next slide. In this slide, we can see the two pictures of the hands. First one is big in size and second one is small in size. So you can see the picture of two hands. First picture is with a bigger hand and second picture is with a smaller hand. Now you are going to put right click to the smaller hand. So which one is smaller hand? Second pick. Yes, put the right click to the smaller hand. Now we'll go for the next slide. Yes, wow, very nice. What can you see in this slide? You can see the picture of two penguins in this slide. First one is smaller penguin and the other one is a bigger penguin. The penguin with red color is smaller in size and the penguin with black color is bigger in size. The red color penguin is smaller in size and black color penguin is bigger in size. So the kids, you have learned here about the colors also. You have learned red color and you have learned black color. Okay, now you are going to put a right tick mark to the penguin which is bigger in size. You are going to put a right tick mark to the penguin which one is bigger in size. Yes, very good, very nice. Now we will go for our next slide. What can you see in this slide? Wow, a pussy cat, a small cat and a big cat. Now, big cat, the mother is playing with a smaller kitten. Yes, she is playing with her smaller cat, smaller kitten. Can you see a big cat and a small cat? So here again you can look the cat, you can observe the cats with the size. Next slide with the lion and the mouse. Lion is running back of the mouse. Yes, the lion is bigger in size and the mouse is smaller in size. Can you see the lion bigger in size and the mouse smaller in size? The first picture of mouse is smaller in size and the second picture of lion is bigger in size. So lion is running back of the mouse. So I hope that you have enjoyed the lesson of small and big. Okay kids, I hope you have enjoyed. Yes, all of you have enjoyed the lesson of small and big. So we'll meet again. Bye. Thank you.